So here we go. We're at Isuzu here at Thai Motor Expo 2019 and they've debuted the new Isuzu V-Cross. And there it is. Oh, very cool. They've actually got mirrors down here so you can see the underside. It's a big bash plate there, if you notice, right there. So yeah, proper 4x4 meant to go off-road. Very cool. So it's just a matter of time before Isuzu Malaysia launches this, and we'll be looking forward to that. And yeah, here's what it looks like in regular trim. Not sure about those wheels, but the new D-Max, here we go. They've softened the front quite a lot actually, made it more rounded. LED daytime running lights. This is the Highlander, of course, and knowing Thailand, they probably have a lowrider as well. Very, very popular among the modifying community. And this is what the new rear lights look like, which is same for over here. Just do a very quick 360 for you. See if it's got a easy lift tailgate. Oh no, it's still very heavy. Okay, maybe the premium variant might have that, or maybe they'll retrofit one for the Malaysian market, because we've been spoiled now by the Ford Rangers, which actually have the easy lift. But here we go. Oh, this is nice. They've got it playing on the internal screen, which is actually huge. Got the commercial playing on the internal screen, which is actually huge. Let's go have a look on the other side. And here are the specifications. If you can just pause on that if you want to see the specifications. There's a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic. This is the what Con would call the poverty spec, I guess. It doesn't even have a bed liner. This is definitely for industrial use. But not too shabby at all. Very nice. So again, the new Isuzu D-Max. Sorry, my Osmo seems to have taken on a life of its own. It doesn't know where to focus on. Okay, there we go. Back in focus. And sure enough, right there on stage, a lowrider variant. Oh look, it's Adrian and Sean from Autobus. Hey guys. Oh no, sorry, from Wapcar. My bad. And there we go. The 1.9 DDI Blue Power Lowrider. Pretty cool, huh? Nice. And of course, in full 4x4 guys. Damn. Right, that's it. Stay tuned for more.